In the rural areas, power cut is a major problem. Now, in the case of power cut, what is used? Kerosene lamps. And these kerosene lamps are the source for black carbon emission. Across India, the studies quote that 30% of the rural India would actually emit black carbon. However, in eastern India, this percentage rises to 70%, which is substantially high. And on an average, 10% of the total residential emissions would come from kerosene lamp burning, and that would release black carbon into the atmosphere. Now, this black carbon releases nearly 12.5 gigagrams per year. However, when it is the case of eastern India, where we say 70% residential emissions or 70% black carbon emission comes from it, this figure rises from 12.5 gigagrams per year to nearly 7.5 gigagrams in the proportion, which increases it to 60% of the black carbon emissions in the every cycle. So it's a very high amount of black carbon being released, and this black carbon gets deposited as soot in the upper atmosphere in the glacier areas, ultimately leading to GLOF, which is the melting of the glaciers and glacial lake outburst flood, which is again detrimental and causes significant impact onto the low-lying downstream villages and towns which are established. So we would cover the topic of black carbon into detail, but black carbon has often been asked in numerous examinations, and this is one of the case studies that you can quote in your answer writing. Thanks for joining in.